For what? Okay. Alright, y'all. This twin turbo Coyote midnight performance. I don't know if anything came from eBay or not, but I know they got it running. They got extra fuel. Damn, they got nitrous too. Damn. Boy, they got every goddamn thing. Everything you could buy. Extra fuel, nitrous. That's why this damn thing running. Boy, this nice.
Let's go, 2 Street. Bring them on up, guys. What we wait on? Let's go. Prime up, station lanes. Let's send them. Prime up.
Who's that? Lil G50. Hey, Lil G50. Oh, this another one. These trucks be pretty quiet. They be going so hard like they do. All right, Dustin Lofkin. That sound good. It's 251 over here. Okay. Y'all behave over there on TikTok, man. I got Circles of Life. She'll do something to you.
Look out.
We got the Stone Vet over here, y'all.
Got to get stoned.
Shout out to my boy, the Stone Vet. Shout out to my boy, Forever Grudge. Shout out to my boy, Tom Gunner. Shout out to my boy, who else I be messing with, man?
Man, Tom Gunner.
Yeah. But I got so many people, man. Shout out to this security, man. Hey, shout out to security.
What's up, bro?
He's securing something. Who else I want to shout out that I be fucking with, man? Shout out to Big Chief on the Street Outlaws, man. He looking out for me one time for the one time. Look out. You on my YouTube channel, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, I was just making sure. There's my card in case you see your uncle later on.
No, I still have your card.
Oh, you still got it?
Yeah, it's stapled up in my trailer, man. If you go up in my trailer, you'll see your little media card stapled
For real?
right next to JJ's.
For real?
Yep, no bullshit.
Where your trailer at?
It's over there.
What color is it? Red. Go check his shit out.
Worldwide.
He say my shit stapled in this.
We got a podcast.
Yeah.
I'm scared
We got a
to have it.
podcast with
I'm scared to have it.
I be having podcasts with my boy the Stone Vet. We get on there. It's unorganized right now, but at least we on there. We got something started. It's getting figured out.
It's like a race car, man. We got to figure out all the tune. We're spinning
Yeah.
our wheels a little bit.
Yeah, we spinning.
We get some traction
We ain't got
every
no
once in a while.
traction. We're on street tires right now. We're on street tires.
When we get the nitrous on, you guys better hang on, man.
Yeah.
Adjust your feet.
But anyway, yeah, this track don't close, man. Y'all keep asking what time the track close. Whenever we get ready. Ain't no time. 6 in the morning, that's when it closed. It's already 3. Y'all asking like, oh yeah, these tracks close at 4 in the morning. No, when we finish. It ain't over till we finish. But I'm finna be over. In a few minutes. Lil G talking about, go see Murder. Man, I've been seeing Murder all day. You wanna go to his channel, man? Look, he with Murder Squad right here. Look out, Murder Squad. I see you representing. One time for the one. Oh, you don't be on camera?
I'm not trying to go back.
I ain't trying to. I don't want you to go back either. Neither. I don't want you to go back. Please don't go back. Please don't.
I'm kind of honorary for less, actually.
Oh, okay. Well, look, man, this is my YouTube channel, man.
I think you gave me a card earlier, or maybe you gave one to my daughter.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna stick it in my pocket.
Okay, already. I'm appreciate you, man.
Having a blast watching you guys.
Already, man, because I've been trying to act up. You hear me? It's
See,
going.
I'm a Montana boy.
Oh, you a Montana boy?
Just down here visiting.
Oh, okay.
Summer.
Okay. Well, I sure appreciate you checking out my YouTube channel. Lookout Racing, man. It's going down like James Brown. You know him? Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
I'm familiar. So
Going down.
I'm not personally acquainted.
Yeah, but as long as you know of him and you know it's going down. Okay. I'll just make sure. We gonna have you on there. Tell your uncle name and
Make easy money.
yeah. The one and only BDB. He said, stay on longer, bro. Stay on longer, bro. I don't want to donate you a dime, but I want you to stay on longer.
Look out. We gonna see what Midnight want to do. They name Chain the Afternoon. They got the Midnight knocked off their ass tonight.
Damn.
They getting fucked up.
I ain't know
That
that.
Midnight group. It's called Afternoon.
Damn.
Boom. They be fucking Midnight up. Call them Afternoon. Goddamn. Flip it. Hey, I got tails though. I got
Now
tails.
you can't call that just because.
Oh, she won't tell.
Whenever he starts doing things in the air.
Okay, I'm flipping,
But you
man.
ain't gonna do it now, so
You ready?
that's cheap.
Okay, he gonna flip it. And I'm gonna call him.
Alright, let's see who calls it first.
Okay, bitch.
Tails.
Heads. Bam! Goddamn me. Hey, I'm fucking with that one.
Yeah.
Pay it off.
You got heads.
Hey, pay it off. Hey, pay it off.
He wanted to get paid. Hey, man. Let me see. Look out for all my people that's on TikTok. Just know I got a YouTube channel. He said people from all across the country coming to this track to race. Yep. We at Yello Belly. Oh, Cookie the Prince. Cookie the Prince in here, y'all. Look out. Let me see what she working with. Hey, girl.
Hello.
We out here at the racetrack. I've been needing to, you know how the racetrack be having cheerleaders? Yeah, you gotta pick and see which one you finna root for. We got trucks, twin turbos. I see you over there with a little small block. Yeah. We got this Camaro over here. Got this S10. Yeah, we got Nico Lynn in the building on TikTok. Got this Mustang right here. Look out. Hey, yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on, where are you trying to go, girl? Let me see. Yeah, she tapped.